Yeah. We're gonna take this 4th generation home and give it a huge transformation.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
Whose room is this?
But not through demolition.
Whoa, what is that?
Jason, don't freak out. But through restoration, we're gonna give this whole room a fresh start.
Welcome to your adult bedroom.
Whoa!
I am Jared Foster JPaul, the carpenter, woodworker, and painter. I do a lot of home renovations, and it's fun. It's fun to come into a house and make people enjoy their home again. So let's get to it.
Am I a tough designer? I would say yes. If you're a contractor, if you're a painter, if you can't do a good job and you promise me something, I will make you cry. I've done it. The show is all about restoring homes with generations over generations. You don't want to take those memories out. You want to preserve those, and you want to build on that memory. Yeah.
We back.
What's on the agenda today?
We're knocking out this bedroom today.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
So excited to see this room in person. Whoa, what is that?
Jason, don't freak out. It's a water stain.
It's definitely gonna keep coming back and it's gonna crawl all the way to the room and then we're gonna have to destroy everything.
Calm down. I got you. We're good. So all we're gonna do here is fix this at the source outside. We'll make sure that no more water gets in. The KILZ Restoration is gonna be the superhero of that room.
He promised me that's not gonna come back, and if it does, I know where you live, Jared. I will come and find you. Ooh, yep. They definitely need
Oh my
more.
goodness.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yes, indeed.
I'm thinking we give them a bigger closet. Extend the closet all the way down to this wall.
Okay.
And in this room, I want it super sexy. So I'm thinking maybe like organic clay pot color, and then here like a deep hunter green
Super
is what I'm
vibes.
thinking.
You
Yeah,
want the
totally.
vibes.
Yeah.
Got you. Jason was concerned about this stain. It is definitely an ugly stain, but I'm not concerned about it anymore. I'm gonna prime this stain with a KILZ Restoration primer. That's gonna seal this thing and make sure that this thing doesn't come back and haunt us at all. Priming is a step that a lot of people miss. They don't worry about covering up the surface beforehand, and it's the difference between a good paint job and one that a pro does. You know what I'm saying? Everything is gonna be taken care of, and Jason is not gonna come back and kill me.
Ready for the vibe?
Let's get the vibes.
All the vibes.
Jason, this don't even look like the same room. I mean,
It's beautiful. I mean, the mood is set. Kichler came through, brought us some recessed lighting.
yes indeed.
I mean, it's just transformative.
Oh, wow.
Oh my
Whose room
gosh.
is this?
Welcome to your adult bedroom.
Oh
Whoa.
my gosh.
Look at that.
Oh, it totally
Mirror.
works. Oh my gosh, this is like such a way to maximize all the space.
This is
This
like
was brilliant.
art. It's a wall of art.
Wait, the stain gone.
Out.
Done.
I don't miss that stain. I think I've said a bunch of times that it feels like a different house, but it doesn't. It feels like it is the house, but it was maybe trying to tell us what it wanted, and we couldn't hear it until now.
Some couples don't think that they can spice up their bedroom on a budget. And with a little primer, a little bit of paint, some creativity, this bedroom now looks like a 5-star hotel.
We did it.
Did.